Maximizing your affiliate marketing success with Centralizze via a comprehensive review. Affiliate marketing is a lucrative industry, but success in this field requires careful management of your online presence. From creating an attractive website to generating traffic and tracking conversions, it can be difficult to stay organized and on top of everything. That's where Centralizze becomes in. This innovative platform streamlines the affiliate marketing process, making it easier than ever to build your online presence, advertise your products, and maximize your earnings. In this review, we'll take a closer look at what makes Centralizze be so valuable for affiliate marketers and why you should consider using it for your next project. Centralizze offers a range of features designed to simplify the affiliate marketing process. Firstly, the platform allows you to have your own domain structure, giving you complete control over your online presence and the ability to promote your products effectively. With multiple domains available for all your products, you can customize your website to reflect your brand and make a lasting impression on visitors. Another advantage of using Centralizze is that you can advertise on Google AdWords and Facebook ads without fear. Unlike other affiliate platforms, Centralizze doesn't use a single domain for all its users, so your links won't get blocked by Google. This means you can reach a wider audience and get better results from your advertising campaigns. The platform also provides a lot of control over your website traffic. You can use pixels to track visitor behavior and remarket to them, giving you the ability to increase conversions and maximize your earnings. Additionally, Centralizze makes it easy to operate the platform from your phone so you can manage your online presence on the go. Finally, the platform is secure and reliable. The payment system is protected against scams, and you can access your account from any device, including your computer, laptop, phone, or tablet. And if you ever need to cancel your subscription, you can do so without any obligation or penalty. Centralizze is a powerful tool for affiliate marketers looking to simplify the process and maximize their earnings. With its range of features, easy-to-use interface, and reliable security, it's a platform that can help you achieve success in this exciting and lucrative industry.